We saw a reduction from 11 megawatt hours per bill that we're receiving down to 8. So around about 30% reduction in the amount of power we're consuming, and that's a 30% reduction in what we're paying as well. Hi, my name's Jonathan. I'm one of the owners of Noshing. We make a range of dairy-free cheeses made with almond milk, where we use a lot of traditional cheese-making methods to produce a really authentic product. One of the big changes we noticed as a business was our increase in our power bill on a monthly basis. It was just one power bill at the end of each month without any real breakdown of how that power bill was sort of coming to be. That really triggered us to have a look at, well, what can we do better? We started with the basic power monitoring kit from Shoestring Digital. That gave us the ability to have a look at, over the course of a day, over the course of a week, how much power the aging cool room was using. And that was really quite a surprise to us, just how big of a percentage it was making up of the total power bill. That then allowed us to make some decisions with regards to bringing in the right technicians, refrigeration and electricians to come in and make some changes to the cool room itself. I think the Shoestring Digital kits are amazing. They are pretty close to being a turnkey solution. We were able to get this system up and running within a day. The next day we could look back at the records of how much power had been consumed over the last 24 hours. Without the data and without that sort of knowledge of just how much this asset is costing us, probably wouldn't have been as much of an impetus for us to go and look and find things to optimize in order to reduce the amount of power that we were using.